How to grow vegetables in seedling cups, summer season 2020. Hi viewers, today we will discuss how to grow vegetables in seedling cups. I will show you a simple procedure to plant seeds in disposable teacups. When these plants will take the height of 3 to 4 inches, I will shift them in bigger pots. Summer vegetables are heat-loving and require full-day sunlight. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Gardening Aim. Today I will plant chilies, capsicum, tomatoes, and eggplants. In my last video, I told you the procedure of growing climber plants or vines in self-prepared vegetable baskets. The link of that video is available on your screen and in the description of this video. I bought these seeds from a nursery last week. Presently I am going to plant chili seeds. I have 5 disposable cups for chili. I wrote plants' names with the date on every cup like this for identification. You can fix tags rather than writing on cups. Every seedling cup or pot should have drainage holes. These holes allow extra water to drain from the pot, which keeps the plant's roots safe from damage. I am making holes with a small scissor. Holes can be made through any pointing tool. Make 6 to 8 holes as per the size of the cup. Put garden soil in the cup. I am using this garden soil second time, as I used this soil in last season. I took al soil from pots, extracts roots from it and mixed with some cattle waste to maintain nutrients in it. Fill these cups 3/4. Open packing of seeds, take them in the pot and count for proper distribution in every cup. Spread seeds on the surface at equal distance. Put some soil on seed to just cover them. These are very small seeds, never sow them too deep. Now pour water in the cup gently. I have filled the remaining 4 cups with soil and going to spread seeds on it. In the same way, I planted tomato, hot pepper, capsicum, and eggplant seeds. Viewers, this is the way by which we can plant seeds of vegetables in seedling cups. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel.